Problem one, as soon as we see this, we should say, hey, got to distribute through. So we're going to distribute the -6 through and get -12a. Distribute the -6 through to the 3 and get +18, because a negative times negative is positive. Equals, now we distribute the -2 through, gives me -10a. -2 through to the +2 is -4. Now, we don't have anything that can be combined. We cannot combine like terms, so it's time to move things across the equal sign. Get all variables on one side, all numbers on the other. I'm going to move this -12a over, so I'm going to do that by adding 12a to both sides of the equation. That goes away. I get 18 equals, well, lose 10, gain 12. You got a +2a minus 4. I now move the 4 over to be with the 18, so number will be on the number side. 22 is equal to 2a. Divide by 2, and I have my answer. A is 11. Number 2. Well, I'm going to distribute through, so it's 4n on the left. Here will be 4n minus 6. Now I get my variables together. I do this, and I'm like, wait a second. I get 0 equals -6. Is that ever true? Does 0 ever equal -6? No, it doesn't. That tells us there is no solution to this problem. And right here, you should say 4 times a number can never equal 4 times that number, take away 6. It can't, because this piece and this piece are the same. And if you take away 6, the numbers aren't going to be the same. So this is a special situation when the variables disappear that we say, hey, there's no solution. Number 3, I see 2 fractions equal. I should be thinking the butterfly effect or butterfly method, or what's called the means extremes mathematically. So I'm going to do 6 times that n plus 3 piece will have to equal 2 times the 2n minus 5 piece. So we distribute the 6 through, gives me 6n, 6 times 3, 18. 2 distributed through, 4n, 2 times 5 minus 10. All right, get all variables on one side, all numbers on the other. I like to move the smaller variables, so I'm going to subtract 4n from both sides to get rid of it on the right. Move it over here to the left of the equal sign. 2n plus 18 is equal to a -10. Don't forget the sign in front. I now move my 18 by subtracting 18. 2n is equal to what? -20, 28. Divide by 2, and we have our answer. N is equal to a -14 for number 3.